try to open this one, you cannot do this. This is a safety here, so you have to pull up this one, and very easy, like this. So you can see, and you can carry this with you in your car, whatever you want, like this. Very easy, very useful. Then you can put down again, pull it up like this, very fast. So on and very, very nice. And you can, the light here is very nice. Absolutely amazing. I have never seen like this, so light. You can see, you can lift with one hand. Very easy, very useful. And you can put this high in level, like this. And drop. You can lift with one hand, you can see. Very easy actually. Absolutely amazing. Like this. Super good. Like this, just drive. This is amazing. Please guys, make sure you go check in the description. All the links you have there. Go and check there and make sure you follow guys this company in Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. And they have many videos there. So thank you for watching and see you next video.